So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a macro in on CS Dragon Lore Edition mouse from SteelSeries. Creating macros here, the whole process is very disappointing, honestly, but I'll show you how to do it. So you can go to macro editor, create a new macro, click on new. You can do a key press macro, a text macro. The key press will just record key presses, and the text macro will record, will paste the text, a certain text. So key press macro, it's like funny to me because you can do delay options here, as recorded, fix the delay or no delay. I'll do as recorded. Then if I click on start, I can do, like, for example, let's press here, then here, then here, and here, and then you can just, and it doesn't even remember the place where you click. So the only thing it does is it just remembers, like, a certain button was pressed, either this one, whatever button, but a certain button was pressed. I don't really understand it, but okay. We have the macro free. Now let's assign it to a certain button. Let's save it first, right? Now let's assign it to the scroll wheel. Done. And now in order to, like, make it make any sense, I'll point my cursor here and then click on the button. And it should start the macro. Well, it doesn't even do that. Which isn't what I expected. Yeah, it should be working. Technically, it's not, but it should be. And yeah, that's about it here. You can open the macro editor, do the text macro, enter a certain script, then do a start key and the send key, like on your keyboard, to start doing it and send it, and you can do different delays, and that's about it. So it's like very, very disappointing. I hope that this video was any helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.